work on the, well, he sees some pigeons over there. So, come here. Heel. Heel. We're going to work on the retrieve, and again, I just leave him on the check cord. I wouldn't throw it very far just so he realizes he needs to bring it back to you. And I just use a starter pistol. I move up to the 410 and shotguns, which he should be on, but it's just easier for me right now to be a one-handed guy, to be able to throw a bumper and use a starter pistol at the same time. And all I do in the cadence I will yell is dead bird, which means for him to retrieve something. And we'll see what he does. Bandit! Dead bird! Come! Come! Release! Good boy! Good boy! Good boy! That's a good boy! Yes! Try that again. Bandit! Bandit! Right here! Right here! Dead bird! Come! Release! Good boy!